You likely have several different reports that you pull on a pretty frequent basis, either for your own understanding of what's happening in your program or to go share with a team member or maybe even your board what's happening inside of your fundraising. The Avid Insights tool, in addition to giving you these kind of top 5 insights about what's changed in your program, it also gives you a lot of these reports, bringing all of your data together into one place to help you quickly generate the insights that you need for all those different team meetings and all those different deeper layers of reporting that you're used to seeing. Down below, we'll scroll down here, there's a handful of these different reports categorized for you. You've got lots of reports on your various channels and how they're performing. You've got reports on giving levels from broad-based, mid-level, major. You can drill into campaign performance. You can look at where people are at along their journey with you, looking at new donor acquisition all the way to key multi-year, reactivated donors, etc. You can find lots of different reports here, or you can take a quick search to go find the reports that are going to be most relevant for you. I want to drill in specifically to this overall program performance report. You're going to find a lot of the tools that are in here. You're going to find in all the other reports as well. So I'll start here to show you sort of the top level overview of what you can find as you start to drill into your various insight reports. Here inside of the overall program performance report, you're going to find a lot of information. You can see across the top, there's these various tabs that allow you to drill into some key areas of your program, looking at, first of all, revenue and donors from kind of the high level. You can drill into donor segments, so you can see new donors, retained donors, reactivated donors, and all the information you'd want to have about those key segments. You can look at active donor comparisons, where you can view current donors versus inactive donors. You can view their progress and status over time, and it's going to generate some key takeaways for you as well. Let's look at this first tab just briefly, just a little bit deeper. Here at the top, you've got your summary of your revenue over time. So you can see how are you tracking so far this year, whether it's calendar or fiscal year. You can drill into your overall number of active donors, your revenue per donor, your average gift size, all these top level metrics that are really important to keep an eye on and to go report on to your teams and to your board. Drilling in to the monthly performance of these, so you can see where the spikes are, where the valleys are. They can give you those different insights that you might need to figure out where are we going to go next, what are we going to try next, what are we going to test next, all the way down into various donor levels, again, from broad-based to mid-level to major, revenue by channel, all sorts of reports here that's going to give you a lot of power as you're trying to understand how do we continuously improve and grow our fundraising program. Something else I'll show you related to this report that's going to come in handy is right now we're looking at everything all in, all different giving levels and all different types of donors. But you can always filter your data to get a little bit more granular. If you hover over this little yellow icon at the bottom, it shows you what current filters are being applied to your data right now. So you always know what you're looking at. If you click on this red filters button, what it's going to do is pull up a handful of filters that you can use to customize all these reports to your needs. So you can drill specifically in, so I can only look at majors, or I only want to look at mid-level, or maybe I only want to look at interactions with non-donors. You can do the same thing with various donor segments. You can do the same thing with recurring giving status. You can look at gift details, time period, all the filters you could possibly need to go make sure that these reports give you the information that you need to get the best insights for you, for your team, and for your organization to make better strategic decisions. So spend some time drilling into the overall program performance report, turn on some filters, see how they work with your data, and see what insights you can begin to draw from this deep level of reporting.